cleaning and painting the Chevelle gas tank and the oil pan for the Subaru. So you know the drill. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so here's the progress we made so far. This is just half of one side of this tank. This rubber undercoating they put in the 60s is not fun to take off. It's a pain in the rear. I've been using this disc right here. This stuff takes it off fast. I got that at Harbor Freight. You can get them at Harbor Freight, and then where you can't get in with them, you gotta use a wire wheel. So like here I'll use that disc, and then here on these edges I'll use the wire wheel. So that's the progress we're making so far. The oil pan for the Subaru's done. This was easy. Dipstick tube clean, just time to prime it and paint it. So let's get back to it. All right, so there's one side clean. It took I don't know, 2-3 hours, something like that. I think this side's gonna be easier. There's way less of that rubber on it. Actually, I might not. Oh, there's some rubber here, some here, some here, but most of this is just metal and rust, so this is gonna be quick and easy this side. So all right, as you guys seen, everything's painted, so let's get a look at it. All right, so this is a gas tank all painted, as you guys seen. Turned out pretty good. The only thing I'm really not happy with is the clear I used. I think the paint looked better before I used the clear. I ended up using this Rust-Oleum clear right here. It's supposed to be crystal clear, like it says. It kind of hazed it a little bit. I don't know why, but that looked better before I cleared it. But it's cleared now. It's no big deal. You're not going to see it. Right here's the oil pan. We got this done too. This is looking really good. I'm excited about it. Right here, as you can see, oil dipstick tube. Got it all painted. This is right here. That is a coolant line that we got painted. So then here I thought we were done with painting everything, and then I was like, okay, I'll put the wire harness back on the intake that we painted pink and put that in this video. But then I discovered that we have a whole bunch more stuff to paint. So these are some vacuum lines off of the intake that had to be painted because they were rusty and you were going to see them. These are 2 shields that go over like the injectors. I painted all that stuff black too, so you'll have like a pink black with some silver, so that had to be done. I couldn't leave it. It was going to look like crap. So this is the wire harness. This will be your injectors for the one side. I think this is for your EGR, I'm pretty sure. I'm not going to clean this because I'm pretty sure you're not going to see it, so I'm not worried about it. This is your main the main plug-in for it. And then the other side for these injectors. And then you got your plug wires and stuff. So this all goes over top on the intake, so I had to get that other stuff painted to put back on the intake too. And do that. That was going to happen in this video, but I don't have time with working and then doing this. So right now we just got this stuff painted, which I think turned out really good. The only thing we got left to paint is this guy, is the throttle body. I'm painting this because you're going to be able to see it. I'm going to paint it silver. It still needs cleaned up. It's like dirty and it's a little bit dirty. So we're going to clean this up and just paint it silver, the same as the gas tank on the Chevelle. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video so far. We're getting a lot of stuff painted. We're doing motor work. That'll be in a video coming up. It's going to take me a little bit to do that video. But so far we have everything ready to put back on the motor. I would have had some of the motor together this week, like the engine block, but the rod bearings ended up being not the right size, so I had to reorder them. So that video is coming, I promise. But for right now, parts are painted. We're looking good. I'll see you guys in the next video.